by the next two cells. From here to here are your hypodermis, and the rest would be your cortex. What's part of the cortex already?
Cortical
parenchyma. So if I ask you, identify the group of cells, the answer would be parenchyma. But if I ask you, identify the region, cortex. But if I ask you, identify the area or group of cells, it's the cortical parenchyma or cortical parenchyma. And then here, okay, this is your endodermis. So parang French na to. We're gonna have a high power. Whoa! Whoa! Okay, so these are your endodermis. May parang may mga reddish. Nakita niyo ba? Si Tito, yan, nakaturong yan. That is your hypodermis, endodermis. And the reddish one are your transparent things. And of course, here are your xylem. Diba? Now, that xylem class is your vessel element. Diba, vessel elements are bigger. And then brackets are this one. Small na to, yan. Ito, brackets yan. But the bigger ones are your vessel element. And these smaller ones, yung mga yan, in between each xylem are your phloem. Kasi nyo ba? And what about this? Sa gitna, sa top of that. Yan. The pink. Okay? Yan. So that is your monopod root. So let us now go to the right